Good morning, students. Today we are going to take a pharmaceutics second practical. You have already finished the 16 experiments, so we are starting from experiment number 61. The experiment number 61 is to prepare and submit non-staining iodine ointment. The prior concept is definition and different types of ointment. You have already discussed the definition and different types. Okay. So next one is a new concept. Formulation and preparation of ointment by using different methods. Proposition first is fixed oil and many fat obtained from vegetable and animal sources contain unsaturated constituent. The iodine combines across double bond of the unsaturated constituent and thus free iodine is not available. Learning objectives in that intellectual and motor skill. Intellectual skills to understand types and the method of preparation of ointment, and motor skill is ability to prepare the label the ointment correctly. In this experiment, we required apparatus like a beaker, glass rod, evaporating dish, measuring cylinder, etc. Then in this experiment, we need the ingredients like iodine, RHE oil, and soft yellow soft paraffin. Iodine is used for wound infection, in first aid for cut and burn. Here, RHE oil is mainly used for the skin diseases. RHE oil is a fixed oil. Yellow soft paraffin is a emollient to dry skin, but in this experiment we are using this as a base. Then you calculate the quantity required and quantity given. Then the procedure is powder the iodine and shake with RHE oil at a room temperature until dissolved. Maintain the solution at 500 degrees 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, here it is 50 degrees Celsius with occasional stirring until brown color disappear. Add sufficient of yellow soft paraffin previously heated for 40 degrees Celsius to produce ointment. Pour the mixed mass into warm container and allow to cool without stirring to prevent an air being entrapped in the ointment. Then last one is attach a prepared label and then submit. Okay, this is your experiment number 61. Then next experiment is to prepare and submit calamine ointment BPC. Then the prior concept is same as above. New concept is also same. Then the proposition first is calamine being insoluble solid in the soft paraffin is grinded efficiently for mixing and mixed by levigation. Here it is mixed by the levigation method. Then the learning objectives, intellectual skill and motor skill. Intellectual skill is to understand the type of ointment and the method of mixing of insoluble solid by levigation. Motor skill is ability to prepare and label the ointment correctly. In this experiment, we need the apparatus as a beaker, glass rod, ointment slab, ointment spatula. The ingredients we needed is calamine and white soft paraffin. Calamine is a relieves pain, and white soft paraffin is in this experiment we use white soft paraffin as a base, and its role is as an emollient. And this quantity required, quantity given, and the procedure is levigate calamine with the portion of white soft paraffin until the mixture is homogeneous and smooth. Incorporate remaining paraffin to get final product. Transfer the ointment to container, attach prepared label and then submit. Okay, then this is label questions. Okay, here we have completed 2 experiments. If you have any query, you can ask me.